everybody. I wanted to introduce TJ to you. TJ is from Oregon. He took a train for 22 hours to get here so we can do his hair transplant. His lovely wife came with him. I just wanted to give you a little input on what we're going to do with TJ today. We are going to advance his hairline. As you can see, he's an excellent candidate. He has wonderful donor. We're going to do about 2,000 right here in the front and about 500 peppered in between to account for future loss. So we will check in with him in a little bit. Once we do the anesthesia, we're going to clipper the back of his head down. We're going to do the anesthesia for the donor area. Then we're going to check in and see how he's doing and also start the extractions. How you feeling, TJ?
Good.
You excited?
Yes, I am.
Yeah? How long did it take you to decide to do this?
About a year.
About a year?
About a year.
That's quick. I've got guys who've spent years thinking about it, so that's good. We just finished drawing his hairline. As you can see, it's very jagged because hairlines are not a perfect semicircle and they are not perfectly straight either. And then you can see little scragglers that we placed there just to break it up, his little rogue hairs. His nose measures about 6.5 centimeters, and we did locate his hairline about 1 centimeter above where his hairline used to be because his face is evenly broken into thirds. We didn't go back to where he was when he was 18, but we can be more aggressive with him because he is not in his 20s. With patients who are in their 20s, we do need to be a little bit more conservative and not locate their hairline so far down. But TJ is not in his 20s and he's got amazing donor, so we can be more aggressive and reset his hairline and give him an amazing outcome down the line. So we will check back in with TJ, but what do you think? You happy? He agreed. He loves it. Okay, so we're here back with TJ and we are starting his anesthesia injections. As you can see, we did color his hair and shaved his head. Or I should say we clippered it down. It's the same guy, I promise. How you feeling, TJ?
Good.
You could tell the truth.
It hurts.
This is definitely the hardest part. Which is why nobody likes to see me walk into the room.
Yeah.
But I'm very nice.
Not really. Not with a needle in her hand. But today she's using the soft needles.
Okay, we'll go back to the orgy.
There's the distractor. Is the distractor helping you? No?
He doesn't look because he hasn't had it with him.
It feels good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, we got one positive. So, this is what we call a ring block, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, so we are going up above.
Yeah, the vibration definitely helps.
Yeah.
It does. So TJ already knows that he, in general, requires a little more anesthesia. So I'm going to do one round and then I'm going to let it sit for several minutes. If people know that about themselves, it's good for them to tell us because we need to use a little bit more. We need to take a little bit more time.
Okay, we'll check back in the next phase.
Just to see if you're numb, just let me know if you feel this. Anything there? No?
Little pinch.
Okay, little pinch. And how about up here in the corner? Anything there?
Pressure.
Good. Here.
Just pressure.
Good. Here. Good.
feel that one.
You felt that one? Okay. Down here.
Yep, really felt that one.
Okay. There. Good. All right, couple more down here. How about here in the corner?
Nope.
Good. Okay.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what are you feeling, TJ?
Just a pinch.
A pinch?
3 or 4.
Well, that's good.
Depends on the spot.
That's exactly what I told you to say, isn't it? I'm just kidding. Okay, we are injecting your PRP, TJ.
Yep.
You feeling anything?
Nope.
That's a good thing.
Yep.
Look at all that lovely PRP. So how's it going so far?
Great.
I know you were kind of nervous this morning, right?
Yeah.
Has that all gone away? And
Oh,
you're
yeah.
like, I'm in such great hands. These people are wonderful.
Oh yeah.
That doesn't sound very effusive.
When you said you were putting me with the elite team, I was like, okay, good.
Okay. Say it like you mean it. I'm just kidding. It's the elite Smurf team.
Tina pinching you over there.
I didn't pinch him. No, oh, you mean pinching him? No, I'm not pinching him. We are now applying the PRP to the donor. Okay, this is going to help with healing. Okay, so we're wrapping up here and TJ is done. He got 2,538 grafts, all in the front, as you can see. We densely packed his hairline. He had plenty of hair, if you recall the beginning. He had plenty of hair in the back, so we just focused directly in the front. You can see the zigzag in his hairline, which will make it look extremely natural, and you can see the rogue hairs as well. So we're really excited to see how this turns out. So TJ, wrap up. How did it go? What was your overall impression? What did you come in thinking? How did it go?
Well, I was expecting it to hurt more than it did, and it was actually really quick. So I'm really impressed.
Okay, so we will check in with TJ once a month. He's gonna have his wife take his photos, so they look really good. And we'll just keep up with him and see how it grows in. I have high hopes because I think he's gonna have fabulous results, and he's going to be a superstar patient. So this is TJ. He's our patient today. He's an amazing patient. He got 2,538 grafts. Those are the Smurfs in the background. They make all the magic happen. Okay, and we're out. We'll see TJ in about, actually we're going to see his photos once a month for the rest of the year for about 12 months. you have any questions, give us a call, text us 818-383-9496, and let's get you started on your journey.